password is yours, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be watching Connor play Trash Trucks game. So yeah, let's do this.
That was funny. Oh, look at her. She doesn't even have a real face.
What? Get the trash.
Oh!
Ah! Okay, that's all of it.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. Look how much money Connor has. 186. No, not the mailbox. That makes you lose money.
Hey, what did you think's rather funny?
Minus 10 monies.
Okay, I'm done.
That's a lot of money over there.
That's the police, right?
Yeah.
We can't go fast because he's gonna be. Then he's gonna be real mad.
No, he's not.
And then he's gonna give you a list. Oh!
No!
Bad.
Go.
Why?
You just go. Take that money.
Okay, I'm gonna grab this.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let go. No, the blue thing.
Oh.
That's 130 monies.
Yay.
Now
That's
you
why.
have 306.
Oh, I can't do that yet. Good. I'm good. Okay. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh, that's not the right one. This is the right one.
Connor, you're silly. Do you know that?
There goes all the trash.
Money's going up.
Is it good?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh.
no, it isn't. No.
Money.
Oh, that was good.
You should upgrade some stuff right there on that upgrade button.
This one?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, use your money.
This one?
No. Now you can pick up green trash cans.
Green ones?
Yeah, there's green ones now. No. Back.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, ad. Not sponsored. The ad is not sponsored.
Cool.
What's it gonna do? Cool.
Oh, yeah.
This ad is not sponsored.
Yay.
This game isn't either.
Oh, I forgot to open my bucket.
Take the TV. That's double cash.
Oh.
And it's free. No ad. Cool. Okay, use the blue thing.
I can't reach it.
No! Where?
Lift my bucket up.
Where?
Go.
5 money trash can golden. First get the red one.
And then do the black one.
It's a golden one. Yeah. Wow, it already been 5 minutes. What? since I started recording. This is Connor. This is Connor. Say hi.
Hi.
I love how he just looked for like a split second.
Oh, trash, isn't it? Oh, that's golden?
Yeah, golden bananas. The golden one. The golden trash cans give you 5 monies.
Wow. Remember you said I could lift up green ones now? Oh, and
This is not sponsored either.
poo-poo.
Death. After you should watch the video, Connor.
How's it going by itself?
6 minutes. Oh, because you were moving and an ad appeared.